Hi, welcome to Mathematics. In this video, we want to solve for x in x times x times x minus x times x equals 100. Let's see solution. So if we multiply this x times x, that is x squared, times x, we have x cubed. We have x cubed minus x times x, we have x squared equals 100. So we will have x cubed minus x squared. If we transfer this one here, we have minus 100 equals 0. So we can have 100 to be equals 125 minus 25, like this. So we will have x raised to the power 3 minus x squared minus, if let 100 to be equals to this, we'll have 125 minus 25 equals 0. So now we'll have x cubed minus x squared. If we expand this, use this minus to expand this, we have minus 125. And here we have minus times minus, that is plus 25 equals 0. So we'll have x cubed minus x squared minus 125 can be expressed as 5 raised to the power 3 plus 25 can be expressed as 5 squared equals 0. So let's collect the like term according to their powers. So we have x to the power 3 here, x to the power 3. We have s raised to the power 3 minus 5 raised to the power 3 minus s squared. Then this one as square, we have 5 square equals 0. Now we'll have x cubed minus 5 cubed minus s squared. Then this one will be minus 5 square equals 0. So, but let's recall so that we have difference of two cubes. So let's say we have m raised to the power 3 minus n raised to the power 3. This is equals m minus n multiplied by m squared plus mn plus n squared. So, and for difference of two squared, let's say m squared minus n squared. This is equals m plus n, then m minus n. So applying these two to the above expression, we will have x minus 5, then x squared plus 5x plus 5 squared minus x plus 5, then x minus 5 equals 0. So from here we will have x minus 5. So if we expand this, we will have x squared plus 5x plus 5 squared will give us 25. Then we will have minus, if we expand this one, we will have x plus 5. So this is equals 0. So now we will have x minus 5 x squared plus 5x plus 25. Here we have minus x, then minus 5 equals 0. We have x minus 5 x squared plus 5x minus x, so we have plus 4x, then plus 25 minus 5, that is plus 20 equals 0. So from here we have x minus 5 or x squared plus 4x plus 20 equals 0, or x minus 5 equals 0. So here we will have x equals minus 5. You transfer it here, is going to be x is equal to 5. Or, so this we observe is a quadratic equation. So we solve this quadratically. So let's say we want to use the quadratic formula that says x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So, and from this above expression, we have our a, which is coefficient of x squared, to be 1, b, coefficient of x is 4, and c, our constants, is, okay, sorry, we have 20 here, so that is 20. So substituting these values into this formula, we have x equals minus b. What's our b? Minus 4. We have minus 4 plus or minus square root of, so our b square is 4 square minus 4 times a. Our a is 1 and our c is 20. So divided by 2 times a is 1. So we'll have x to be equals minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square will give us 16 minus 4 times 1, that is 4 times 20, that is 80, divided by 2 times 1, that is 2. Then we have x to be equals minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 80, that is minus 64, divided by 2. From here we will have x equals minus 4 plus or minus square root of, we can have this one to be 64, square root of 64, then times square root of minus 1. If we multiply this and this together, I'm going to get square root of minus 64. So divided by 2. But remember that our iota, which is I, is the 1 equals to square root of minus 1. So we can replace square root of minus 1 by iota I. So we have x equals minus 4 plus or minus, so square root of 64 will give us 8 times, this one is what, iota I, we have divided by 2. So we'll have x equals minus 4 plus or minus 8i divided by 2. So we can factorize 2 here out. So we have x is equal to, let's say we have 2 here. What will be left here? We have minus 2 plus or minus, what will remain here? We have 4i divided by 2. You know this, we cancel these 2. So we have x to be equals minus 2 plus or minus 4i. So which means that x equals minus 2 plus 4i, or minus 2 minus 4i. So you know we now have three value of x, three solutions of x. So the first one says that x equals 5. Let's name this one x1, and x2 says we have x to be minus 2 plus 4i, and the third one, let's say x3, give us minus 2 minus 4i. So these are value of x. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on our next video. Bye.